Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jack up a Jeep Commander. First, ensure your safety by gathering the right tools like a sturdy hydraulic jack and reliable jack stands. Always park your vehicle on a level, firm surface and engage the parking brake. For extra security, place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will remain on the ground. This preparation is crucial for a safe lift. To lift the front of your Jeep, find the sturdy front cross member, which is a robust central point. Carefully position your hydraulic jack directly underneath it. Begin to slowly raise the vehicle until the front wheels are off the ground. Once lifted, place your jack stand securely under the frame rails, close to the front wheels, ensuring they are stable before proceeding. When lifting the rear of your Jeep Commander, identify the rear differential housing as your primary jacking point. This is a very strong component designed to handle the vehicle's weight. Position your jack squarely beneath it and slowly pump the handle to raise the rear. Once the wheels are clear, place your jack stands firmly under the frame rails, near the rear wheels, for maximum support. After placing your jack stands, slowly lower the vehicle until its weight rests entirely on them, not the jack. Give the Jeep a gentle shake to confirm it's stable and secure on the stands. Remember to always double-check your jack stand placement before getting under the vehicle. And speaking of keeping things fresh, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. Check the description below for a link to this and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.